Look at your life right now. Everything you have, good or bad, is the result of your daily habits. If you want to change your future, you don't need luck. You need one thing: discipline. Imagine waking up one morning and realizing that your life is exactly where your daily habits have taken you. Not your dreams, not your wishes, not your plans, your habits. Many people want success, money, peace, respect, and happiness. But very few truly understand the one thing that creates all of them. That one thing is discipline. Discipline is not loud. It doesn't shout. It doesn't show off. Discipline is quiet. It is waking up early when your body says sleep more. It is working when nobody is watching. It is choosing the hard path today so tomorrow becomes easier. Let me tell you a story. There were two friends who started their lives in the same small town. They had the same education, opportunities, and dreams. Both wanted a better life. Both wanted success. But their daily choices were very different. The first friend believed in motivation. He waited until he felt ready. If he felt good, he worked. If he felt tired, he rested. If he felt inspired, he studied. But most days, he didn't feel ready. So he waited and waited and waited. The second friend believed in discipline. He didn't wait for motivation. He created rules for his life. Every morning he woke up early. Every day he studied something new. Every day he worked a little more than yesterday. Some days he felt tired. Some days he felt bored. Some days he wanted to quit. But discipline told him something very important. Your feelings are temporary, but your future is permanent. Years passed. The first friend was still waiting for the perfect moment. The second friend had already built his life. You see, discipline is not about being perfect. It is about being consistent. You don't need to run fast. You just need to not stop. Most people fail not because they are not talented. They fail because they stop too early. They stop when things become difficult. They stop when progress becomes slow. They stop when nobody claps for them. But discipline teaches a powerful lesson. You don't work for applause. You work for your future. Think about the strongest people you know. They are not always the smartest. They are not always the luckiest. But they are the most disciplined. They do the small things every day. Reading a few pages, learning a new skill, saving a little money, improving 1% daily. 1% sounds small. But if you improve just 1% every day for 1 year, your life will look completely different. Discipline is like planting seeds. When you plant a seed, you don't see the tree tomorrow. You water it. You protect it. You wait. Days pass. Weeks pass. Nothing seems to change. But under the soil, something powerful is happening. The roots are growing, and one day, the tree finally appears. Success works exactly the same way. People see the result, but they don't see the years of discipline behind it. They see the success story, but they don't see the early mornings, the sacrifices, the lonely nights of hard work. Discipline means doing the right thing even when nobody is watching. It means choosing growth instead of comfort. Comfort feels good today, but discipline builds a better tomorrow. If you want to change your life, don't start with big goals. Start with small disciplined actions. Wake up a little earlier. Spend less time on your phone. Learn something new every day. Work on your dreams even if it is just for 1 hour. Remember something important. Your future is built by what you do daily, not by what you do sometimes. Many people think success comes from one big moment, but success is actually thousands of small moments, small choices, small efforts, small improvements, every single day. And here is the most powerful truth about discipline. Discipline gives you freedom. At first, it feels difficult, but later, it gives you control over your life, control over your money, control over your time, control over your future. Without discipline, life controls you. With discipline, you control life. So today, ask yourself one question. What small action can I start today that my future self will thank me for? Maybe it is studying. Maybe it is working on your dream. Maybe it is improving your mindset. Whatever it is, start today. Not tomorrow, not next week, today. Because one day you will look back at your life and realize something very powerful. Your success was never luck. Your success was discipline. And discipline started with one simple decision, the decision to not give up.